There is a saying, what is simple is true. Or in other words, truth itself is always simple. This is a principle well known in the world of science. So what about Katakamaina? It too is incredibly simple, a wonderful, almost magical tool that guides us toward the true world. This power exists in the unseen realm. Today, many people chase only what they can see, believing that visible things are everything. Perhaps we could call that the great misunderstanding of modern times. So, what exactly is Katakamaina? In truth, Katakamaina is the root of the sounds of the Japanese language. And within these sounds lies a mysterious vital force. In the Utai, songs of Katakamaina, energy that connects us to the origin of all existence has been sealed. By chanting these songs, the innate power within human beings begins to awaken naturally. Many results have already been observed. They may seem like miracles or magic, but in essence, this is also a form of science. Katakamaina even has the power to awaken the spirit of harmony, wa, the gentle, compassionate heart that exists in every human being. If we were to summarize the essence of Katakamaina, it might come down to Manasub and Maikumari. In simple terms, Manasub relates to the laws of the universe, while Maikumari concerns the principles of life itself. We wish to share the profound secrets of Katakamaina to bring light to this confused and chaotic world. The Association for Spreading Katakamaina to the World President, Kozo Itano.